Welcome to our channel NK Learning. Today we are going to learn 3ds Max cloth simulation tutorial. Let's start. Now go to make a tabletop cloth. Go to standard parameters, plan, make a length and width. So you have to some distance on table and a plan. Length segment have to increase for more smoothness. 100 by 100. Make a name cloth. This is cloth. I'm going to select the color for identification. Go to modifier, search cloth. This is cloth. Go to this is a cloth modifier. Go to object properties. So this is the cloth. Add object. You select the table. This is a tabletop. You select add on tabletop. Cloth tabletop is inactive. This is a tabletop. Make a change, edit the name. This is a tabletop. This is cloth. Start simulate. Just select as simulate. The cloth simulation are going and processing. This is a cloth simulation. Easy way to make table cloths. See, this is tablecloth. This is a cloth simulation for table. See the different and go into bed cloth. Make a plan. Length segment and width segment you to increase and make a 100. This is the length and width plan. Have to distance in this is the cloth. Make a red color for identification. You have to distance in your bed and your cloth. This is the bed wood. You select bed and bed wood both. This is a cloth object. go to cloth, go to modifier, make the cloth. This is the cloth. Go to object properties, add object. To select bedwood and bed, both are select. This is the floor, bed. This is the cloth. Cloth means cloth. Have two options: cloth thickness and bend. We have any option. This is the cloth material: heavy leather, rubber, stain, silk. You have to use anyone for your recommended. This is the cloth. Select cloth object, select cloth. Bed, select the collision object. Floor also collision object. They are all collision object. Cloth only cloth object. Select the simulate. See the cloth simulation. This is processing a cloth simulation. Make a bed cover and bed sheet. Find more interesting. You select the floor. That's why the different. You not select the floor. The cloth is in down the floor. You select the collision object on the floor. How to realistic cloth, realistic. This is a realistic cloth finish. See, this is the cloth simulation for black cloth. This is the bed cloth. This is the bed cloth. This is an easy way to make a bed cloth. This is a cloth simulation. Material. Now going to another one options. Go to standard, make a sphere. This is leather and rubber cloth. This is rubber effects. Go to make a plan. Make a size. This is a plan for cloth. Have to distance, change your color, rename cloth. This is the base, rename base. Go to cloth, make a modify, go to cloth, object properties, add objects, need base. Okay, this is the cloth. I need to rubber. This is the base collision object. This time I'm use the rubber cloth. This is a rubber finish. Go This see the finish. This is a rubber simulation. You have to extend. Select them manually to extend. Go to simulate local. Go inside and down. Go to stop. This is a leather object. This is a rubber object. This is stretch. See the stretch. Edge of the stretches. This is the rubber finish. Okay, this is the cloth simulation. Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.